If you have a Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system, you want to make sure that your device is always faster and not working slowly. So in this video, I'll be showing you some of the tips, some of the inbuilt tools you can actually use to make your device run more faster. There's what we call Storage Sense. Storage Sense is actually a tool in your Windows client operating systems, an inbuilt tool which you can actually use to delete unnecessary files to keep your device clean and running. So let's say you want to actually delete files behind the scene every single time. So what you need to do is the following. You need to go to Settings and then go to System. In System, go to Storage. In Storage, here you can see we have what we call the Storage Sense. So by default, this is actually switched off. So if I click on it, here you can see it's actually switch on because I've already put it on. But by default, it is switch off. So you need to actually put it on yourself. So right now you can see it is on, and again it says configure cleanup schedules, run storage sense during low disk, or I can say every month. And again, delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over, I can actually use 30 days. Delete files in my downloads folder if they have not been opened. So we can decide to say, well, if they have not been opened for 60 days, probably I don't need that file anymore. And again, it says content will become online if not open for more than, for example, 60 days. I can decide to go 60 days. This is my one drive as your cloud content. So if the content have not been open for 60 days, they will actually be moved from your on premises to the cloud. So I can actually just say, if they've not been open for like 60 days, just move them to the cloud. We can decide to actually run this now. So by default, this is going to be running every month, every 30 days, every 60 days, and this will be running every 60 days. So if I go back again to storage, you can see we still have the cleanup recommendation. So click on the cleanup recommendation, and here you can see we have, for example, download. I have about 7.52 gigabytes of download files. In my recycle bin, I have about 4.15 gigabytes. You can see we can decide to actually clean up these files. If I select this file, you can see I have the option to clean up. I can go to the see advanced options as well. You can see some of the files that will actually be cleaned up. So I can just do remove files and then continue. You can see all the different files will be removed. And again, we can decide to go back again. And if I go to cleanup recommendation, and here you can see we still have some files that still need to be cleaned up. For example, download and install Microsoft apps. So you can see you can actually delete some unused files that have not been used for some time. So if I think, okay, let's go back again to the cleanup recommendation. We can decide to say, well, I want to actually delete this file, and then delete some of these files I don't need anymore. Just delete all this. Then we can do, it's just about 20 megabytes. We can just do cleanup and then continue. You can see the files will be, there was a problem cleaning up the selected files. Probably some of the files are still in use. All those files, folders are being used right now. That's why it can't be deleted. But if we go back again, you can see that if I go back again to my storage sense, yeah, now you can see that this is actually, okay, this is still working. That's why the other one is being blocked. So this is how you use the storage sense to actually clean up files you don't need, which also makes your device run faster. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and liking this video. You can always leave a comment if you have any comments, and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. Bye.